Hello everyone, this is the U-Trap installation. For the standard installation, we recommend to use 50 millimeters for the bending point. Please check this. If you install it longer, you will have a bad smell that it is a very big mistake. So please follow this. And I also have a bad installation for U-Trap tools. I will show you. Hello everyone, this is the U-Trap installation of the FCU for chassis system. The mistake of the installation is the dimension from here. It is very long. It is almost 200 millimeters. For the standard installation, we have to reduce it so the 50 millimeters from here, and from here also 50 millimeters. But this one is very long. The purpose that we install it only 50 millimeters for really short dimensions like this, because if we install it with the long dose like this, it will store the bad water. The bad water will store from here, and when the new waters come in, it takes time to release all the bad airways. So it is not a good installation. We install the U-Trap to protect the bad smell. If we do it like this, the bad smell the water will become bad water, and it will be bad smell that it will go into the room. Okay, so this is a small tip for the installation of the U-Trap for the FCU. Thank you.